Hello again. So further to our video on annotated solutions, I just found this really cool tool on Paint. I've been using it, but I didn't know it could do this, so I thought I would share. So I did a lot of work on Paint, and then I was using Snip and Sketch, which you still can use to cut and make my anchor chart for the exemplar. But if you come up to here we go, select, just select itself, and I grab all of the drawing text whatever, and then on my keyboard I hold Control and I hit X to cut. It takes it off. Now the really neat thing is if I create just a Google document, which I would prefer you to use Google Docs, if I create a Google document and I hit Control and V, which is paste, it takes what I cut out of Paint and puts it right into the document. So it's just one less program to be using. So I'll try it another way. My last solution that we did, I am going to select and get all of our drawings, and I'm going to use the button here that says cut. I'm going to cut that out. And then I'm going to go to my document and I am going to do edit and paste. There it is. So all of that work that I did in Paint, I now have in a document, and then you could submit it together. So if you do, because Paint doesn't have a lot of space and you need more space for your solutions, you could do them in Paint, do the select, cut, and then paste into a Google Doc. So hopefully that is helpful. You use it if you need to, and you don't have to if you don't want to.